me Ember Power. Ember Power, Michael say. Jack, my mentor on Kana. Sama neighbor. Neon boy like a crack. Why? I was here for quick, even a person minimum shares is here. Sisiana me some text you fear. May establish say your jelly equipping polo say for 90 days. That is 3 months. On then a baby picture beer. Omo could you try and let us say a penny and your that picture with the naked style beer than a bar. Small boy, 89 chain. Indeed, and yet the picture was not nice. And yeah, so I put me on them. But 3 months and 90 days jail na a year you can cry. So she said circumstances now. I know they have a muya gram kakra. I was saying car and 24 share manner at least a fair. Like a fair friend said, it be a charge, be a bit or the bit there at the end of the day, no bet me assign so as supporting it. But this year I'll go jail for 90 days. And so 90 days now. You name trauma become during that time now. Oh, and this is a girl, a young girl with like as a single mother, only husband. Obesha akola kra never punch no. Akuapin polo no ahwe akola we sa. And Ghana so you out 90% of the ladies now Ghana ni na man and shomo. Ghana na man be brena ya single mothers because Ghana no only about wa pa na oje anya force. Only about anyem no catch us on yema. Utimi ka say onje. Nobody cares because I'm running anya kromo. So at you know the men got away anytime be money and mano ebe faithful. And you know this young girl was struggle up to this time and Baba do some purpose, you know, I mistakes. I think this was the first time on the banner championship. And at least a fair try be Nigeria mano this fine, we are fine. We went to men to fine now be cool jail see. Now say no be as went to men to fine not or cool jail. Then it is. And now say be okay, your community service. Now science so show good behavior for maybe 1 year and young man adi be a bit me no maybe on stay away crowd for some time or maybe a social media maybe a bit me a man still I set and maybe a senior who said we just had an uncle for free. No call them pa three friends saying month there. I know shit. Those I don't react to certain things there. Any Ghana there. More you because Krona Kasan see a shepherd Ghana shepherd there. And you also think jelly will be especially from top to down. Because Ghana will be a baby will be a baby will be and koi. She cry a team Ghana cry a team and foot throw God test. And there's a Krona Ebasa acquiring yet potholes. I'm robbers, Akron 4, and Kumu Crawford, Geomusikadi, a whole lot. Malams, a good social media, Facebook, a good TV, so Chromomia advert, first Kabajisika, Aza, Unomubu, Chromaphone, Timamufono Munibino. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. But Obia, Eja. Ono born home or the social media the near manema dia kote no akofon kakra ya mana emfie efresa boso me so nkonko da fiase. That is ridiculous. I know shit. And you know I was say the agency be hye ne bi mu say dia e na yefan bodi ekro no abroche hayati memi hu say adum kane ada matna kro we mu 8 years me ko 9 years me hu se kane akra no ye dum ne da enum siso sa 24/7 ensio esiso tata every day ubio pipe eba ye ndum no pipe ye on hot ye on cold bibia ye kama ekwan ye nam se ekwan papa ekwan we baby amenam highway menam like a city center Krube Feno Silver Spring menam city center mini highways but ekwan ye journey so eyi markings bibia kama bibia hu se omo ye krochichi kro no omo dwene mu da ho kromo amenam mi hu gata da mi hu gata se gata pani no bia poto gata mu Ghana no ebi ni ho gata ni ha gata ni na wo underground e hyase no ma yi kwan kitu abi ansuo to fm nti sabi obi a wagimi kran ntimi mfa ade ebi nkonkoto gata ni because gata no kra yakata so nti hu gata no so infutro eni abroche infutro ni ha obroni nyansa ne waya ne se ka kwan ya mede na mo so mo hu se ekwan no ntokro bi won chen eno ne gates no tokro bi won chen eno ne gates no beside the gates no ne chen no your pavement gates ne so na omode cement agus na pavement ani patimi faso ansana ne chen na senka Ghana ombe mana ye enfutro no omaduadua hura ewo so enti no chen ni nyina no infutro bia ni because baby a ho no ye anwea ebetimi ama infutro aba no obroni adua hura ho environment no journey Ghana environmental protection kron mu nyina ye infutro saa mo hwe ka o ya mo hwe so wo hu se gata bi da nchen a anazo obi de efi ato nchen a mo hwe enchen ho nyina ye hura ye dua grass basaka Ghana enche ho nyina infutro so mo hwe gata ene ne wo enche no hu gata no ketua bi yakata so yakata sa de we so bi Ghana senka sabe malaria kran enche Ghana for ka malaria ma because entontom no mo breedi a friends omo de a friends omo de entontom ba no mo free gata nim sa entontom no mo de malaria ba mo free gata nim ho so ho Nima awosia ya Ghana for be enjoy life yenye kura okọ sebe okọ akoja ona janabia o enemi bu ofu okọ akoja ona okọ toilet kura you have to pay money to be good. Common sense in Ghana ni if you no public no toilet because there's a buy me public toilet am I okay public toilet as I know so buy na ahwe na me ti Abraham Ben Moshe program interview bi okoye o baby kuro bi so ohene no dey na ohia omu hia toilet o rade ohene no kuro no ohene ni say kuro mu fo no ehia toilet omu ni toilet me ra hoye ohene pa o si kuro mu ho ehia toilet a sabi adwuma eni kuro mu untimi kan chi abamu e say yema empanifo aso nti say yen kuro yi ohene mua ye bisa wade a okuro pa ohene say ohia toilet hey nana toilet ba no ohene hia naka ohene kura de kroma for kura do musuro ohene kura che politicians because omene nana na ti kromo ti nana bode wura asembia nana beka bia ahemfo no eka kroma for no de ye adwuma enti ko ohene toilet kura de nya priority ye no ni kro no ne mu hia ubebode wuro na waka che ukroma for ne say efie bia obi anya toilet wo. You don't need public toilet outside the city. Kroma public toilet bi ani ha America public toilet bi ani ha ezo obia sabi enni ana enjana nan e wa bonten no public toilet. There is no public toilet anywhere. There's no place of convenience you can go and say I'm going to defecate or you will never get this thing anywhere. But yan Johnson gwa bonten America yan Johnson gwa bonten ay common sense and who so be agina bonten Johnson and so yeni baby ay Johnson say I in the public say Johnson public no it is never done here anyhow but obi ay then e move smoothly Ghana near momo dey public toilet na sisi joint na be kokko nkronkro is a team or damu koforu duamone ade akra no mne kumasi baby na public politics is ono obroni de no franchise companies omo de McDonald's, Dunkin Donuts, ebia KFC whatever na sa dan twetwepo an nketenkete no hu se omo de aye business centers a enkrofo eye munyuma kuma friends the chrome hofo na tete sa ampaso no omo ye den omo nya benefit ho ye ho adwuma enti no na se bia wonam chrome na se be Jones obi diwa ana person ye ho yi a ubetimi adi afa bia McDonald's ana se Taco Bell ana ba bia sa se me kwa Jones ana me kwa emi ho yi. But apart from that no there you will never get this thing. What you say chrome ati obia ni ho ametimi aka se wa sori da pa se wa tiesi chrome na on yo se okono Jones so de nti akọ twene be ma gina baabi so enye dwuma yenye saa de no chrome ada na ye bi before there e o se ye de etimi ye saa ene ma phone no obi twene be ma baabi ano wa Jones so because leadership no enye dwuma. What you say adika ahemfo kura se ne kamo ahemfo kura no na mo be ma oman no kura den ayefe mo na mo be ma politicians no aye se papa tine mo ka ne say eh ye de ye ba na mo ba be ye ka kwan ne ma ya ye mpe gates abo be ya mebiebie so gates no mo fa hye fom na mo kata gates ni nyina so mu wi a mu biebie enwuma okrom ho ekura se mutumi dua bante bode mankani akutio mango friend say kwadu ni na etimi de ye product mango juice or banana juice or ye de bibia pineapple juice whatever mo betimi I produce niama ema ampanifo no abaye factory so ho milk factory esi wo wakura se a nana eye beboa wo ema mo bedno milk a mo nto na boarding because factory sim krom ho Ghana bibia akra kwa ne tema na bibia company na egu akra tema cement crown company no akra pe ene wa na tema na ho enti so bi fitamale a ayi so ba beto cement e wa ye akra ye to cement fi akra de kotamale ana de kosunyane ama be na timi. These are the things I was saying for the motion na nye ekwapim polo toto fifi wa ne ma we o ye na say ye twe akwala na so to the extent say just be sida sa yi friends adeje your bottle ne be obi nye bi da happen that from so what you say munya ne ma be ma mani mu ya kona attractive a chese Ghana need to fear who say me mani mu ofe me ba brochi oh rade chese usi krom kra tu so kra no oda baby papa kra utima common new e come en new yare bi onyare chese de bia ono sa okobasa because if bia no eba be ma police bia na akọbọ yare bia krampo efini kronim ama system no jeni hihye ne ma ye emra no ye adwuma to ye mfonso amra no ebetimi adiu na me hwe TV bi nra ewo GH11 TV so debe akra baby pa efi pa na gata kese pa ya bie suse ya bie gata kese suse na efi adokro ho na chese mobo hey erade obo bibi need in fact say niema ode ye abrofo no enye nyina na ode bi hey no bia ya brainwash wa target wo say wo de ubedi hia na ne obaya ne say bre na uku momo a wako akodi de heaven wo wie no ho na abekọ heaven akodi de omra enije ene ahofama ne asumdue ne wa asase so no bro ni de wa ye kroma na asumdue no ha na ye de ye ye nye ye kro no e ma asumdue enye se bia ye ni akade e de ye abroche de na mo America de na mo omuni hwe nwura na aye yellow nwura mo hwe na yellow ba Ghana na me hwe krobi Ghana ho ba bia se e fro me refi credit but they oti regi ho ye ka greener nwura no who say yes this is green nwura ni green ama me kra me hu bi da very just a green pounds yes we ni asase a yakopon e de ma obibini and so bibini hu so hwe ye wo gold so ye wo diamond so bauxite so manganese so ye petrol so ye wo nsuo epokese da ho nam wo mu ye ko busha ye wo bush meat akrante oyo otwe kese ade papa bia asase agana ye wo no wo de banche chef o mefifi America be ba hanum say mi hu say ye dua banche o hada but America for banche ko store say abenya banche ato o ko store ubenya banche ato store o ko store ubenya body ato store enso mi hu say ye dua body o hada Ghana wa feature crowd the body si obefifi enso Ghana for a commodium aduane ni krom ho adai cause policies nya agriculture minister onya de onim nadwuma yenhwe ema yenua enubae no yenye hwe environmental minister onim adwuma babia mfuturo age Ghana babia fa gates nko environmental minister nim se nadwuma se yebehwe se Ghana gates hina no yebe cover so ebe underground environmental minister nim se yebe duadua grasses babia mfuturo no wo na amanfuturo ni na akọ na se ensuo twa atimi ama enwura no aye prom ma wonnam so a unsampa won utikrum yebe jale santin so twa na baby ahonom no eye kwabo no anwea no na aye ateche o shempa bo na utia wa na na ase nyina ya ateche saa ade Africa adan ena wo se yetena se na ye boy ho abro se wo mra ye betimi ayusu ya dwene eda ede obroni aye ena kura de internet adaroma entuko ama abrotie me hwede obroni aye no aye bi ko internet so ko YouTube na hwese de America achichiri ni kuro no na oso ye bi keke o Ghana na Ghana for timamufo asomu nwomo educate Ghana for kachira omo se so mu didi a mama mfa nwura ne ento fom o de das me abesisi abonten nti omo mfa ntutum ne man kitenkete basic things keke chira mo fadwuma bra krom na mrantie enya kronobo enya arm robbery fadwuma bra krom tia police ni kayi America police ni bia America police ni bia oka America police ni bia no obaje $1 or $2 obaje because oyo okay na brabo eyo okay tia ne kayi tia teacher ni kayi e Ghana na ontre nkwala no nyansa onfa nyansa teacher for entroma de entiom kayi entiom krom ko school mo de abufuo na chen nkwala ya de entiom ntrom hwe ko teacher for no kra entiom ye nurse for entiom kayi eduko o ya na ko hospital Ghana nurse ni be tian sa because no je on kra come de no so what you say enti oba tian e come the nurse ni oba tian Prince Adakwa Nyamiche. Hey, chairman, it is a sportsman. Asamoah Emmanuel. Oh, a common at the nurse in that is the country we were born. And you know, Emrason, say a few years, Kasabi. Nasi a Jamwa, Mama and Yamacha. Member Minia Abraham Bembusha. About so this guy, I feel himself, put a lot of emphasis on development issues or Ghana things are not so bad. Yeah, Ghana country be a consume there, ensure the Kenuka and consume is to come to Ghana for that. And so because rented down baby if you crap pipe with him. And so Ghana assassin and so at our CSA to out to and a bula a pepper. But if you're a basic die, all you say chroma for the Babet and be here and soon. Well, see that as you're not the rent to a job advance 3 years. If you also consume your toilet in your maybe would yes come on now before Bunium Casa or Mutiesica, Namaka could go outside. Oh, Radiaso Mutieska, no aqua bonte, aqua could get it. Why rented down with Fabio? Now, what's a Tieska Nante? Now, what could Jarry now, Bano? And kwana wonam so wonam futrum na de besa aba ofie to be nam futuro no saa na de aba ofie na mfuturo asa aba na ho anone country Ghana ye free just o man na say from A to Z oya is ya oya Ghana hwe enye ye o man na say wo ya ade e say wo tani ade na enye hwe kro ba ya fa environment no and the position kro no say de obetwitwa ansase no obeyi ka kwan ya tutum na obedodo ewura na e won chenchen no so ati ase and na be makro no emu adan ate makro na efe anya Ghana hwe kro ma me nam yi hwe kro yi mu hwe ekwa we kra me nam so enya highway o eya fitre kwa fa na me kwa join highway ba hwe se de kwan na tie na hwe wo kwan ya wo de fa so fi sunyane e de kotamale hwe wo kwan ya wo fa so free ho e kotema wo kwan ya fa so free aflawo e kokumase na wo fi aflawo kra kokumase aga na wo fi aflawo kokumase a aje so be fa kra ba se ko bronia ka fi aflawo e kokumase a on fa kra ka on be ya bom kwan ka be the shortest route from aflawo to Kumasi abom kwan o be ya bom kwan shortcut boom to Kumasi. You don't need to go and travel through Tema, aflawo to Tema to Accra to Nsaom to Osiam, and then to Nkoko before Jiso whatever to Kumasi. No, you don't have to. I'm by short adobe wom se Koforodia Accra na twatia to Koforodia na link pa to Kumasi. That is Obroni. Son of Bruni by Ghana there. No. Entisa. Enti ma papa okroni ma ebetu ya ma Ghana aye kraba hwe tisa abrochi. Da bia ye kasa na de ho compare Rwanda. 1994 ni ka Rwanda news of civil war and genocide. 1994 that GBC news. Da bia we were listening. Now more about Rwanda genocide. Number of people killed today, yesterday, and then Rwanda. F13 Ghana. Yatana also from 94 up to now. I'm gonna recover from the war no Emma Kuna Baba F at Ghana. And so Rwanda chairman or president no system of Paul Kagame on your Bruni. Or a black man to say wow. Okay, your politicians said about boy bro. Namuti mamufone de amudia. Mamu and reason beyond Niamuti so namu de amunya NDC and NPP sha. Mo bad bro Ghana ho. Oh yeah, young boy. Now there one dream say obebo bra and move free Ghana ba betina brutira. Masa and you try Ghana obe wuntamo. Ghana otra obe wu. Oh here a company adendren ko abeku wo Ghana ho. Oh here a come any adendren abemo be ba America. Nipa minimum o mewu young boys below the ages of 50 o mewu more than 20. Minimum, some of them are minimum crack on said the day before I came here. Some of them minimum and 90 years caught the two and more back connection and about less than 10 years. Nipa about 20 minimum young boys below the ages of 50. Anka almost free Ghana and I'm back to now I'm telling you, they all died prematurely because of conditions in the country. Na krono nama enfutro nko a be ko tiri bu kura na waso. Yo hwinim waso tokro dem wani tokro dem wedie no kura tokro da wedie ni wedie no tokro man ntine ya fane sai if free no wedie no dem body no tokro dem so enfutro ye krobo nyina tu nama enfutro saa. And the same foot away now, Cody Pautrima. Now, Undu 50 no. Sayani and you are doma or the other talk car, there be our car, no, or the air condition one now to roll glass. And as they be our bench, baby, or foot trottor, cranabia, or cause office, to be office, there be about 8 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. Not a save book a cloud from the dust now. And as I said, Ukoya Sabe. Coffee about 4 on the Nam Chrome Coba Penda Massa. Imagine foot rebecca. Nami abroach crown and me tea crime foot to chroma. Meka with my beer glass and uncle for caca. The next, you measure that dashboard, the son of bones and swine song. I said, dust white are you white oh aha kura mfuturo di ha o efi ni ha no sa uja oka no glass ne kofuma eba na imagine Ghana krona ye mfuturo nko akru oh my goodness na mfuturo we mu na ka ebofa ho na mfuturo we na ewura wasum na ewura ohwinim na ewura wani na ewura widie nim enye ku na bekum pollution kwa ebekum tu utra Ghana won che to ye Ghana ni yombo na utie mi a adwuma bi a wo ye no ye passport se America nyame adom de loto aba ye to loto ni bi every year bi to bi nyame betuma ye wadom bedi unya di abesi abenya di aba bet na America de betumi aba emu asomadwo because some penifo no mo hwe mo so Ghana de mo ni adempa bi adema mo be young boys and girls na mo ti on there some make focus pass some be move ma brabo e dey free e kuro ni mu e dey akwa na brotie ba bia masa e na mbe bre cause leadership no e ni adempa de makroma fo no timamufo no NDC ni MPP ni adempa bia de mamo mfuturo no mu dem omo enfa omo ho entontom na awie mu na omo they don't care got test na produce yare na omo enfa omo ho because omo no tete cars akese mu aban sika da omo mu nya bi free wu nya bi ndi akomo wi so atiase ye ti Ghana no opinion eyes o ene ehun se krewe otna ma emwa o ene e boy ho modern na de bet na America otna Ghana emwa at whom you know so why nya obi a obetimi ahun mobo pa se mi nua weja meboa na forget it krobeni anya mi amaya de papa say yentna asase papa say so asase a oti so snow bi nto ana de ka bi abraw uni snow ho ka o Ghana no snow ka uni tsunamis ni ade entan si o Ghana abakitu abi nti ukra no omre oti asase papa so eso ho kire America na nya Ghana asase na erade ka kroni na tsa hwe ka Ghana kroni na be se glass a wo na form kra be hu wani sa America fo na nya ya but omo nya ne sa because season bi was no be ba to egwa asase so ama na ma asesa season bi ono ma from akese betimi abo atutututu nnua atutu dan kunkum nipa krowe mu ni good weather but still ama chechire no said e be ya o mema kroma fo no asuma drum so ati ase kroma wo ye adwuma eto tax afiso a sasika no aban betimi asan de ama back so ati ase that is what they do Ghana wo ye adwuma utia tax a ekwahe wo ye adwuma upra insurance enya adwuma Ghana insurance enye adwuma entino se ka abo kra abo free no insurance uwa wawu kwa no benefit omano system na enfa niema papa o sa mo se die hia akwapin polo ya de ya tie akwapin polo pa ya ko jele no na niema mobo kra ni se ye jele no ye na free court e de na call police station se na call say prison or whatever no taxi na dey get shame isn't it shameful taxi o and dey get shame enti court no kra na ye jail area no na ye ni police car no ebe fa area no free a court room ho saati the said jail amode no be ko so whatever no ebi no ye the taxi and the fa akwapin polo free court room ho to prisoner fene say na ya den eko so sad polo shaden send some jeliwa you come back penefo bebre na co jail ba be big people e bi ba be president ni ade enyina we a lesson na ababeto no but you go over 3 months e beba sesia na person obey appeal oya appeal na mo teso a fine oya appeal na lose you come back now ba wa refresh ho na fe wa hwe niam abaye we mema na stop from social media niam a wo ye ye obey say oba na oni ni entwa photo sabio ento social media but other thing na wo ye no na ma won sako ano de no dia wo se okoso ye because kro na adwuma nim amampani nya adwuma bia wo kro nim a e wo se ababa wa nya bi ye mema adwuma nim omo kra akoko school kra wi o Ghana kra omo nya adwuma nye omo mawie legon omo mawie KU STM omo mawie friends universities Unibadia hefa omo go omo nya adwuma nye they struggled me akasa mi nua ba kra no wako school papa bi kra ye adwuma kra e wo bank kra no ono kra na katua kra timi chance na na so edmo bank esu kroma GPay every week I say unya adwuma uya adwuma when you pay week when you pay 2 weeks a week or 2 weeks what I say obroni mpesa ho ba kire obaye sabe nipa obaye krono ne ade because o chebebre na komodo abema wadwen na asesa enti na uya adwuma na on say 30 days and I say 28 days emra sa no ka 14 days at least 14 days there oje kakra betumi there then a connecting na bi di balance ho insuraba toxic at say what I say obetumi anya bibi kakra na o there then a balance na bi rena bibi aboko there ya enti no obroni ma on try sa boso menso asa quick na usaka usika na de obey bia na there now they are emante bebre gu Ghana omo pese omo bom ho de ye adwuma but adwuma eni kroni ye nya factory enti boys ni na afi o makura se abesha akra anase kumase ana nkran achoku because of the class onya adwuma nye enti se ye enwuma na ase bia Unilever watermanko ya temanko na maji abosi e de Unilever e ba ko e ko e bia sunyane ni akobie ba ko o e bia tamale ho baabi ni ebie ba ko oboku ho baabi ni ebie Unilever bi o kofrodua se cement factory o si ebie bi ewo efa se 10 regions and say 16 or say so man say 16 say regional capitals ni nyina mpo ebi nko ho so say cement factory regional capitals ni na yenya cement factory companies ni bi ho say yantuma to say GTP a Japan no na yakoso monko na modi akogui ye betumi aye ntuma factory ni bi wo region bia wo Ghana enya akoso monko na say betumi ntuma factory Ghana 24 munsu ade enya akoso monko na obetumi aye ntuma factory obetumi aye all the regional capitals enti omo a watamale ni pa akoso montuma omo mfiri tamale eme fantuma no akoso mo tema ntuma no aye fu say milk ni ya milk factory no was a regional capital and district capitals ni na akra bi ho kroma adwuma bi e wo kro bia so no adwuma bi wo ha e fa no chifele adwuma bi wo ha se me de camera na eto so e fa no chifele sa adwuma wi bronu bia bi wo so enye state ne kra ho bronu bia bi wo so na enye sa adwuma wi nkwa the same companies e wa around no bronu bia bi wo ma 33 kra no so adwuma bu America adwuma buso e America yeso ya akodefo na abeka se bia wonya adwuma obroni mpese temamufo no bebre ntoma manwuma no aba omohwena no ti obi asori a okona adwuma so ati ase obi asori a okona adwuma opon adwuma okofie se TV bi akohwe bi de ade I enjoy the life na ade koda adwuma nim enti eno na niam a ma ne beye ene mema ne beye akwapu mpolo ade okoye ina ye hype na ope oye hype no they are to social media na man fa ye aba ba hwe ne no ama nkrofo so ahu ni page no that was ade na akwapu mpolo oye enti one ne ba na de ekoye sa no na akwapu mpolo sisi se na adwuma papa bi o Ghana no nya bi mpo ye ya na ka bia enye social media friends saying postings of pictures and videos and obeye ede edidi eno ne business because corona ka say adwuma nim enti Ghana company for ye besrem nie hia ebema timamufo no abraba asi ya na ediye no eno na ewo sem ye ma omo nie ebema kromu hofo no eho atom no na America na yete no omo ni asumdue te se Ghana omo land na yete so kroma land na yete so land na enya papa Ghana land no na ye asase papa you understand but ye nya asase no na ye mfa nya ne ebebua kromfo no na krona e basa Ghana obitimi sore no wanante akọ epoano no wakogya na nan egu epoano because ifie no ejana bia ni ho tie so okọ epoano wakogya na nan egu epoyi so ompefi Epono kra oye nature na oye nsu no ompefi but no free ni fie no akoja na egu because the fie na otim no eja na bia toilet ni ho hey krobeni boy me fa musia nyame adom amrepam no ebeba ekrabi polo na de aha aduna ya me ya but raba me de minim say you be back and better stronger than before we know eye opener ebema obakra fe na obenya more views so views no mo e dey afa so dey achiwe afa kwa na obenya more ufi prison ba first video oba crash internet no ebi ekwan yankopon person afa so dey lift higher ni we are since social to wa who said we are still and you know also yes strong time out the best strong ni and social to wa na be who said the party me need value Emma obi or free or Ghana ni me Ghana ni be na me want a single value me who Ghana ni a me who need to say shabi me who atinte huru na because Ghana ni na betinya ye wicked obey your bonnet Ghana ni na be your abro palm say yes but obroni obe hwahwa oboni be left too high me who Ghana who say atinte huru keke me fa value bi ama no because obetinya de two sani tie say ade but yenye ade ye hu say o left here me a bring out down polo ana me di be sie entimi am bring you down you'll be back better and stronger na men kan on show so on bo prison ho oba no ne ho ntire da and him said o ma me of fie obetimi ade take care of akwala no until so betimi ade aba beka oba no answer na men come ho mo bye at a better time no e be sai ene mo ahia me chia mu ina Thursday kale bibi aboko me ananse me te wonka che nanse my tight me drive a lot until me nya time to go to WhatsApp na ade me te wonka che Adwa Evelyn bibi aboko de na men come ho mo bye